Did you know that the gift of storytelling might just be one of life's most powerful and envied skills? You see, stories have the power and the potential to make people laugh, to make us cry, to educate us, to encourage us, to build people up, but also to tear people down. You see, whether you're a parent, a teacher, an employee, an employer, an entrepreneur, or even a student, a well-told story can completely transform the perspectives and the worldviews of other people. And today the world is absolutely crying out for more people who are able to do this well. You see, since the dawn of humanity, it's kind of as if human beings have been pre-programmed to understand and engage with stories. You see, it's through stories that the knowledge, understandings and the insights that people have learned have been passed down throughout the ages from one generation of people to another. You know, storytelling is literally as old as language itself. We've all heard stories, we all have a good story of our own, but not too many people are as effective at actually telling stories as what they would like to be. So this is what we're going to be looking at and addressing throughout this course. You know, being an effective storyteller comes with this whole range of advantages because people absolutely love good storytellers. People buy from good storytellers. People want to be friends with good storytellers. And people learn from good storytellers. You see, by becoming an effective storyteller, you're going to become more influential in other people's eyes, perhaps your children, your employees, your next audience, or even just with your friends. And this will happen as you begin to help them more effectively see things that they don't yet see. And when this happens, guess what? Other people are going to see you as being of so much greater value. So, if any of this sounds interesting to you, then join me on this journey today, because absolutely everything that I'm going to be teaching and sharing with you throughout this course is 100% actionable right away. Which means that if you apply the principles and some of the stories that I'm going to be sharing with you throughout this course, then you can start practicing these new skills today and actually start engaging with your audiences or other people in far more effective ways.